Hey, what up, Paint Drops? It's me, Graffiti here, and I am back with a new video. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video, and I am extremely sorry for that. I will try to post videos more often, but I have been quite busy. I have kept mapping though, so I'm still in the loop of what's going on and what kind of stuff has been getting released. I'm sorry I haven't released the magic boxes like I've said I would for so long. I've been really busy and just haven't had time to work on them. I'll bring y'all something really special soon for that to make up for it, so please do excuse that. Today I wanted to show you guys how to change your perk models. So I know this has happened before in the past through a mod, and I've also know that some people have posted this on the forums, but I have not seen it on any YouTube videos, so I just kind of wanted to make a visual tutorial on it. And also I notice a lot of people are doing it wrong, like using the mod or using or changing the default model to whatever model they want, which is okay, but what they do is they completely get rid of the original model completely, which I'm not going to call any names, but I've seen some people do that when I tried to ask them and try to help them along with this, and they say they can do it themselves. So yes, this is kind of an old tutorial, but I do think it's necessary, especially when I've been seeing a bunch of the same perk models over and over on maps, which is cool, but it would be cool to actually see some new custom perk models. So I wanted to show you guys how you could accomplish that today. So instead of me rambling, let's just get right into it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to change the quick revive machine. So I just made a brand new map real quick, and I went over here to the quick revive machine and I stamped it. So right now, if you see the Juggernaut, it's a prefab. I'm going to right click, go to prefab, and then go to stamp prefab. So now you're caught up with me, and we have our perk machine right here. So now that we have that, we're going to want to go to our main Black Ops 3 roots folder. So the best way to do that is what I just did there, was go to your Black Ops 3 mod tools launcher, click on your map that you're working on, right click and click open map folder. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to something like this. You're going to just backtrack about 2 slots and go to Black Ops 3, and then you're going to go to share, raw, scripts, ZM, and then you're going to look for ZM_perk. So here's all the perk machine scripts, and basically we're going to need to drag and drop all 3 of these files for quick revive. So here's quick revive. So you're going to need the CSC, the GSC, and the GSH, and that will apply for all the other perk machines that you are using, except for Electric Cherry, and I'm not sure, but if they only have 2 as a GSC and a CSC like Electric Cherry does, then I will show you in a little bit how to fix that. But for now, let's just work on quick revive. So once you have your 3 files, so CSC, GSC, and GSH again, we're going to copy them. We're not going to cut them, we're going to copy them. So Control C. Then we're going to minimize this folder. We're going to go back to our launcher. We're going to right click and click open map folder again. This time we're going to go to our scripts, ZM, and then we're going to paste the scripts inside of our scripts ZM folder, inside of our user maps. So now I have them in here. So what this does is, when I pasted it into this scripts folder, later on when we apply it to the zone and we start the game, it's going to change the perk model for this map and this map alone. It's not going to change the perk model on any other map, so it doesn't mess with your workflow. So now that you have it inside of the map that you're going to change the perk model, you're going to want to locate a file called the GSH. So we're going to open this up, and if you notice, we have two different folders. So we have, I mean, not folders, excuse me. We have two different models right here. And if you look, it says Quick Revive Machine Disabled Model and Quick Revive Machine Active Model. So what we're doing is we're going to change the models that are inside of the parentheses. So this is the off model, and this is the model that turns on when the power comes on. What we're going to do next is we're going to locate a model that we're going to want to change it to. So to do that, you can have your own, but I'm just going to go pick a random model out of Ape. So let's open up Ape and look for a model. I do have custom Perk machine models, but I'm not going to use a custom Perk machine model. I'm just going to use just any model to basically prove to you guys that you can use any model. Alright, so here we go. We got a fridge. So what you want to do is you want to look for the model name. So for me, this is the model name, this is the material, and this is the image for the model. We just need the model itself. So if you look right here, it says .x model. So we're going to copy this, Control C, the name of it. We are going to go back to the quickrevive.gsh file, and we're going to change the disabled model and the active model to the fridge, and then we're going to click File and Save. So now that we've done that, we're going to want to go to our map again. We're going to right click and click Edit Zone File. This time we're going to click Enter, and we are basically going to copy this section of it. For quick purposes, I'm going to copy this over. Alright, so now that you have pasted this down, you're going to want to change the model. So you can you need to make this model the same exact model that you put in your GSH that you changed. So here's the disabled model and the active model. And so we're going to paste it in like that. Click Save and File Save. Then you're just going to want to compile, link, and run your map, and it should work fine. And now I kind of want to go back and show you what to do with your electric cherry. So electric cherry is the same thing. You copy them and then you drag them into the scripts folder of your map, like I showed you before. But if you notice, there's no GSH for it. That's because the GSH is inside of the GSC folder. So if we open up the GSC folder and we scroll down right here, this disabled and this active model right here is actually the machine's model. So if you wanted to add your own machine model, like if you want to change electric cherry to not the electric cherry model, but to whatever model you want, again, same thing, just change the model inside of these parentheses like so, and that's all you would have to do. So once you have got this inside of your zone and you have put your X model and the scripts of the GSH, CSC, and the GSC, compile, link, and build. So I'll be back when it's done compiling. Alright guys, so now we're in game, and if you can tell, the quick revive model is changed, and if you come to it, it still has the same notification. When you're gonna hit it, hold F, plays the animation, and you get the perk icon, and it stays in. Yeah, some effects play on the sides. You can change that and disable those. Alright guys, so we're all done now with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it helped you. If so, then please drop a like. If y'all guys have any questions or concerns, drop a comment down below. And if you guys enjoyed my videos and would like to see more tutorials like this, then drop a sub. It'd be highly appreciated. Thanks guys. Y'all keep on mapping, and peace.